Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Big Three Automakers, shaping truck culture. Truck culture's roots run deep in the U.S. It's shaped by the Big Three: Ford, Chevrolet, and Ram. They've been making trucks for decades, influencing how we use them. What makes their trucks so popular? Their designs and features have become part of American tradition. The Big Three's impact on truck culture is huge. History of the Big Three Automakers. The Big Three Automakers have a long and storied history that spans decades. From humble beginnings to current-day dominance, each company has played a significant role in shaping the truck market. They've introduced innovative designs, features, and technologies that have captivated consumers and helped shape American tradition. But how did they get here? Let's take a closer look at each company's journey. Ford's early years and the F-Series. Ford's success with trucks began in the early 1900s, but it was the introduction of the F-Series in 1948 that really put the company on the map. The F-Series was designed to be a rugged and reliable work truck, and it quickly became a favorite among farmers, construction workers, and other laborers. Over the years, the F-Series has undergone many changes, including the introduction of new engines, transmissions, and features like four-wheel drive. Today, the F-150 is one of the best-selling trucks in the U.S., and its popularity can be attributed to Ford's commitment to quality and innovation. What sets the F-Series apart from other trucks on the market? For starters, its durability and capability make it a top choice for those who need a truck that can handle tough jobs. Chevrolet's truck legacy and the Silverado. Chevrolet has a rich history with trucks, dating back to the early 1900s. However, it was the introduction of the Silverado in 1999 that really solidified the company's position in the market. The Silverado was designed to be a more refined and comfortable alternative to other trucks, with features like a smoother ride and more amenities. Today, the Silverado is one of the most popular trucks in the U.S., and its success can be attributed to Chevrolet's focus on quality and customer satisfaction. But what makes the Silverado so popular? One reason is its impressive towing capacity, which makes it a top choice for those who need to haul heavy loads. Chevrolet has also introduced a range of innovative features, including advanced safety technologies and infotainment systems. Ram's rise to prominence and the 1500 series. Ram, formerly known as Dodge Ram, has come a long way since its introduction in 1981. Initially, the company focused on producing rugged and reliable work trucks, but over the years, it has expanded its lineup to include more refined and comfortable models. The introduction of the 1500 series in 1994 marked a significant turning point for the company, as it offered a more car-like ride and amenities like air conditioning and power windows. Today, the Ram 1500 is one of the most popular trucks in the U.S., and its success can be attributed to the company's focus on quality, comfort, and innovation. But what sets Ram apart from other truck manufacturers? For starters, its commitment to using high-quality materials and advanced technologies has earned it a reputation for building some of the most durable and capable trucks on the market. Can Ram continue to build on its success and remain a major player in the truck market? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the company's dedication to innovation and customer satisfaction will keep it at the forefront of the industry. Design and innovation. The Big Three automakers have consistently pushed the boundaries of design and innovation in trucks. They've introduced new technologies, improved performance, and enhanced capabilities. So, what makes their trucks stand out? Let's take a look at some key advancements. Ford's F-150 aluminum body and EcoBoost engine. Ford's decision to use aluminum in the F-150's body was a significant change. The new material made the truck lighter, yet stronger. This change improved fuel efficiency and towing capacity. The introduction of the EcoBoost engine also boosted performance. The EcoBoost engine uses turbocharging and direct fuel injection to increase power. This means the F-150 can tow heavy loads with ease. What's next for Ford's F-150? Will they continue to innovate and stay ahead of the competition? Chevrolet's Duramax diesel engine and Silverado's advanced trailering system. Chevrolet's Duramax diesel engine is a powerhouse. It provides the Silverado with exceptional towing capacity and torque. The advanced trailering system takes it to the next level. This system includes features like trailer profiles and customizable settings. It makes towing easier and safer. Can Chevrolet's focus on innovation keep the Silverado at the top of its class? Ram's eTorque mild hybrid system and luxury interior options. Ram's eTorque mild hybrid system is a unique feature. It uses a battery and electric motor to improve fuel efficiency. The system also provides a boost of torque when needed. Ram's luxury interior options are also worth noting. They offer premium materials and advanced technologies like touchscreen displays. What do these features mean for Ram's place in the truck market? Will they continue to attract buyers looking for a comfortable and capable truck? That's a wrap for Part 1. We've covered the history and early influences, but stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive into the evolution of truck design and performance over the years. You won't want to miss it. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.